Well, hey guys, and welcome back to the Spitfire project, and it's time to get rid of something that's annoyed me for quite some time now, the brake servo. The early Spitfires never had a servo on them as standard anyway, and this one has actually got a leak in the diaphragm, so it doesn't work. It's been retro refitted quite badly and it fouls on the bonnet. It also fouls on the airbox, so I can't get the airbox off for maintaining the carburetors too easily. The brake pipes going to it are fitted really badly, and the brake pipe going from it isn't even secure to the bulkhead. So as I don't drive the car that hard, they weren't fitted to them in the 1960s and it's not really an original fitment. I think the best thing I can do is just get rid of it. So the first thing I need to do is to crack off this brake pipe at the T-piece to get rid of all the old brake fluid out of the system, and then we'll get rid of the brake servo and the brake pipes going up to the servo from the master cylinder, and then we can start to make up the new brake pipe. Well, I'm rather glad to see the back of this brake servo. It's one that can just go on the scrap heap. So I've got a new brake pipe to fit, and I'll be doing that all in situ rather than on the bench, because I've got this rather clever brake flaring tool which allows me to make up the brake pipe in situ with all the ancillaries in place. I don't have to disturb anything, and then flare the ends with the brake pipe left in situ, all fixed to where it needs to be. So let's get it all sorted out. Okay, that's the new brake pipe all in place and the reservoir topped up, so I've got my mate over here, Damon. He's going to help me bleed the brakes on it. Right then, we've got Damon inside the car. He's going to be working the brake pedal. We've got the rear of the car jacked up, it's just easy access to the wheel cylinders, and working the furthest point from the brake pedal, bleeding the system, which is the driver's side rear, and working our way around the car to the closest point. So it'd be 10 pumps of the pedal per corner until it's nicely bled. So just get the bleed bottle onto the little nipple there and just crack it open. And Damon, if you want to give us 10 there, mate. Good. And hold it down. Okay, and release. Now we'll just lock it off and go around and do the whole circuit. Well, there we go. That's the brake servo removed from the car and new pipe installed. So one last thing left to do, let's drive it. Well, new brake pipe's in place, as we know, and we just test the brakes. Yep. You know what? Just as I predicted, having a servo on the car to not having the servo has made no difference whatsoever. And that's because obviously the servo on this car didn't work anyway. Had it worked, it probably would have made a bit of a difference to the braking, but like we said, it's a small car, they were never made with them anyway. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed what I've done today to the car. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.